A 3-day Desi oil Mela was recently inaugurated in Mysore, aiming to promote Desi cold pressed oils and support local farmers and producers. Emphasize the importance of traditional nutritious food and the health benefits of traditional oils. This event was organized by Sahaja Samruddha, a farmers' organization active in promoting native crops, seeds, and organic produce. Now let's watch some of the oils that are exhibited here. Niger oil, coconut oil, Kashmiri almond oil, flaxseed oil, sesame oil, safflower oil, groundnut oil, Californian almond oil, mustard oil, castor oil, tamano oil, peppermint oil, rice bran oil, sunflower oil, yellow mustard oil, Baskaradi hair oil, canola oil, avocado oil, Himalayan hemp seed oil, rosemary oil, pumpkin seed oil, grapeseed oil, pistachio oil, hazelnut oil, clove oil, I hope you like this video on Desi oils. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.